Hey everybody, it's Melanie Ferguson here. I want to share with you guys my favorite 5 things that I found on Amazon this week. Let's get started. Let's start with this shirt. So this shirt is super cute. It's white. I only have a few more weeks of enjoying it before Labor Day weekend, when we're supposedly cut off in the South from wearing white. So this is super cute. Let me just show you again. It's got this waffle weave cotton top. It's completely lace sleeves, which gives it that little touch of feminine that I love. I think it's so soft and comfortable. And I want to show you how easy it is to get it wrinkle free. I grabbed this off Amazon this week, and I cannot believe that I have gone so many years without a little portable steamer. So if you're anything like me and you have never taken the plunge and grabbed yourself one of these, do yourself a favor today. This was amazing. It's super light. It has this little detachable head on here. You fill it up with the water, you put it back on, and then I use this little brush attachment. So this little brush attachment is, I love it because for me, it kind of guards the steam from just, I don't know, ruining my shirt. Aren't you always afraid when you iron that you're gonna ruin your clothes? So with this steamer, I feel very confident with the little brush thing that I'm not gonna ruin anything, you know? And it totally took, this came and it did have a couple wrinkles in it, but this steamer totally was a game changer for me. It's so light, so portable, super long cord, so totally packing this with me every time I go on a trip, and I'm keeping it out at my house. I'm gonna find a special place where I can just grab it and steam my clothes fresh every morning so that they are wrinkle free, because I think that that is like a big deal. It is for me. So this white shirt's number 1. This fun steamer is number 2. Let me go on to show you number 3. It is this amazing, I'm trying to see, I don't even know what the name of it is. Purity, like pure beauty, but Purity Biotin Eyelash Serum. So this stuff, I used to use some other stuff a while back, and it was a little bit on the pricey side. So I tried this out on a whim, and it's been about 3 weeks, and I see a night and day difference with the eyelashes. So I also ended up putting it, it's just this little bitty thing. I also ended up putting it up here on my eyebrows. There's some like spaces in my eyebrows where there's like hairs missing. Have you ever like over tweezed or had a mistake happen with your eyebrows? This has been making those eyebrow hairs grow back. I couldn't be more pleased with how this has worked, just as well as the pricey one that I used a few years ago. And so I'll try to get up close, but you can see sort of my eyelashes. Hold on. I don't wear the false ones, so it's kind of hard to see the difference, but trying to get them up on the eyelids. The lower lashes have grown longer and the upper lashes have grown longer. You'll just have to try it for yourself. It's an amazing serum that I love. I use it every single night on my eyes. The eyelids, just kind of right over here over the lashes, and then right down here, and then a little bit up on the brows. Bada bing, bada boom, I'm done, and it's awesome. So try that out. I will link everything below as usual. So my 4th favorite find this week is this pillow. So it looks like a big lumpy pillow, but it is so soft, guys. It's like this bamboo brand. I don't know if you've seen them before, but super soft. It totally conforms to the shape of your head, and it's cool. So it's breathable material, and that's important to my husband and I. And so he just has been using these pillows for years and just bought his 2nd set of them last week. And so I'm here to share them with you. He is in love with these. I think that they're amazing too. I use them, but they are super soft, and I am big on that. Like, I don't like a flat pillow. I don't like a one that's too fluffy, that's like almost hard because it's so fluffy. This one is fluffy and soft, fluffy and soft. I love it. It is awesome. So check these out. I will link them below. So are you ready for my favorite find this week? Okay, number 5. I'm gonna point the camera down a little bit. So we have got this awesome little carousel. So this is a carousel that can hold all of your supplies. It's not carouseling for me because it's doing it from my hands. Look at all these fun compartments, you guys. Isn't that awesome? So it comes with 3 large compartments or containers that you can just take the lid off. So it still came with the lids. I'm just showing you with the lids off how you can put stuff in that's too high. Actually, I'll put the lid back on that because it actually fits. There's nothing sticking out. So you've got things that stick out. I've got all my messy bow zip ties here, and then you've got things that don't, and then you've got the 3 sections of 2-tiered items, and I've got like glue sticks and my little finger things. I don't have anything in there yet. I have all my squeegees and my wooden beads, and then I don't have anything in that one yet. So I'm still organizing it. I just love it and wanted to share it with you right away. I'm gonna point this down a little bit. Whoa, guys, this is the real deal. I'm going to point this down just a little bit so that you can see how it actually sits on the table and spins. It spins really easily, really smoothly, really nicely, and I just love it. So that is my 5 favorites this week, guys. It was this white, all white shirt, so hurry up, summer's almost over. With the lace sleeves and the little cuffs here that make it feel fancy. I love it. It's a soft waffle, a waffle knit. Oh, there's a little, oh, I got stuff from the pillow all over me. Little waffle knit material. And then the second thing was the steamer to steam it out. It's so light. And I didn't tell you, but it comes with this little pouring cup. Totally don't need it. It's just something extra. But I don't measure things. If you followed me for a while, you know that I wing a lot of things, and that's part of the fun for me. So yeah, it says max right there. You just fill it up to the max and then just turn it on. It's one little thing. And the steam comes out great. It doesn't sputter or spit water. I just love this steamer, y'all. I can't say enough about it. And then of course we talked about the pillow, soft and cool. If you are in the market for a new pillow, check those out. And then of course my final and favorite find is this turntable craft supply storage caddy. Absolutely, I love this. So check it all out. I'm gonna put the links for everything below. You can find everything in my Amazon shop. I appreciate you. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye.